Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. This video is in continuation to our series on Helm. That is basically the package manager for the Kubernetes and helps you deploy your application. If you have not seen our previous video where we have discussed more about the introduction, configuration, installation of Helm, then I will suggest you to go through those videos before continuing on this current video. All right, that being said, let's start with our next topic, which is using the pre-built charts in Helm. Now, we have already discussed about the charts, its significance, values, templates, and so on. Okay, so now what is this pre-built charts? So basically, Helm provides you with a central repository, which is called Helm Hub, where you are able to search and file the pre-built charts for the popular applications which are most widely used. So you can take a reference from those centralized charts, a central repository which Helm provides. And it has like all the major applications, like if you want to install Redis, if you want to install some Postgres, MySQL, ELK clusters like this. So it has pre-built packages for them, and you can directly refer and use them to install inside your Kubernetes cluster. You will also find the existing charts which are available on GitHub, Gitlab by searching the Helm charts. Now, you can use this pre-built charts. It basically eases your work. You don't have to rewrite everything from scratch. You can easily find, you can install and deploy the application inside your Kubernetes cluster. This is going to save you a significant amount of time, effort, and cost, which you would have otherwise put on to install these application. If you were doing from scratch, you would have to rewrite the configuration and then deploy, right? So this is the added advantage, just like we do in Linux. We directly query from the repository and install our packages. Similarly is in the Kubernetes as well. Now, how can you search? Okay, so what are the basic steps to use this pre-built charts in Helm, right? So first of all, there are multiple ways on how you can use it. First one is you can search the chart using the Helm Hub, which is basically a public Helm charts indexed in GitHub Marketplace, GitLab, Docker Hub, etc. So you can directly search for Helm Hub by doing Helm search hub and the application name. Using this, you can actually search it and get the required packages which you want to install. Okay. Now, most of them are outdated because of the fact that the Kubernetes keeps getting updated. So you need to make sure that the version that you are trying to install should be compatible with your Kubernetes version, and then you can go ahead and install it. Okay, usually you will find that details inside the documentation for that particular package. So you can check that out before installing those packages. Now, installing the chart using the Helm install, you can look out for the stable repositories which are there for the longer term support. So most of the software you are going to find it. So you can do install using Helm install stable and the application name. Like in this case, we have Redis, and you can generate the name. Now, this command is going to download the stable version of Redis chart on in your Kubernetes cluster. Now, you can also override the configuration using the -- set flag, and you can pass any other version that you want to install as well. Now, -- set flag enables the set chart values at the installation time. So you can provide your own values inside the YAML that we have discussed. Okay, now here is an example where we are installing Redis, and we are setting up the type of the service for this Redis as a load balancer, and you can connect on the port 8080 like that, right? So this command is going to install Redis, and it will set the service type as load balancer and the port is 8080. Okay, by using pre-built Helm, you can avoid the need to create and maintain the Helm charts and in the common Kubernetes application, and instead focus on customizing the charts to meet your specific requirements. Okay, so that being said, that's all that we have to discuss in this topic of the pre-built charts. Go ahead, check it out. There are a large number of charts available. The chances are, if you are using any of the open source application, you will find a pre-built chart for it already, and you can go ahead and directly use it inside your Kubernetes cluster like that. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And we are going to continue ahead on the Helm in our next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.